Hey everyone, Doodle here with a tutorial on linear extensions. To make this easier, we're going to break this down into 4 simple steps. Let's start by putting our fan out with our thumb facing up. Step 1 is simply rotating your wrist in front of you, keeping your palm facing out. Step 2, continue rotating your wrist across your body till your thumb is facing down. For step 3, we're going to simply release the fan, allowing it to swing freely on our fingers in front of us. For step 4, we are simply going to push our hand out and allow the fan to swing back into our starting position. Notice as we practiced our 4 steps that our hand is extending on a linear line. Something important to notice is the push. Notice as we push out, it will always follow the linear line we push. This includes the other direction. Now let's practice our 4 steps the other direction. This time releasing the fan for step 1, pushing the fan out for step 2, statically rotating our wrist for step 3, and continue rotating our wrist while pushing out for step 4. Don't forget to practice these 4 steps with your other hand. Make sure you practice both directions. Once you feel comfortable with this, go through the 4 steps with both fans, allowing the front fan to swing downward first. For step 2, push your bottom fan out as you chop your top fan in front. For step 3, allow the fan in front to swing down as you rotate your wrist, bringing the other fan up. And finally step 4, pushing your bottom fan out and chopping your top fan in front, bringing you back to starting position. Again, notice our hands are extending along a linear hand path, as the top fan always chops in front. Now let's try smoothing this motion out. Since the top part is static, we're going to be focusing on the bottom. To do this, we're simply going to be reaching across our body and changing our thumb positioning to thumb up to thumb down. Now with the fan, simply release and follow the same hand motions. Allow the weight of the fan to do the work for you. Simply glide your hand across the linear line. This concept is called gliding. Now with both fans, practice gliding which fan's in front and chopping with the one that's in the back. Now that we've gone over our horizontal linear line, feel free to try this in different directions, such as diagonals and vertical. Feel free to practice all these directions with both fans. For our vertical extension, we have a slightly different hand path. Notice as we bring our hand up, we rotate our hand around. This allows the fan to drop and our hand to have time to reposition itself. Now let's try it with a fan. Notice we let the fan drop as we reposition our hand back to starting position. If you're feeling comfortable with this, go ahead and release the fan at the top and reposition your hand as it falls. But wait, there's more! Now that we feel comfortable gliding in our wall plane, we're going to simply rotate our wrist and allow the fan to swing inside of our arms, along the same linear line. Go ahead and practice this hand motion a couple times, rotating your wrist and bringing your hand back to help you get a feel for where the fan will go. Now with our fan, simply follow the same hand path in 4 steps and allow the fan to come inside your arms. A good drill to practice is to simply swing it through your arms, catching it with your thumb down behind your head. This is a drill you can do on the outside, inside, on the other side of your head, or even on the other side of your arm. This is where our arm tracers come from. Now practice simply swinging the fans back and forth inside your arms, alternating which side of your head. Another fun drill is to simply rotate your body, alternating which fan is gliding in front and which one is gliding in between your arms. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Check out my other videos for more tutorials and other fun fan ideas.